for the parents of autism, ADHD, or other congenital diseases, any kind of congenital diseases, or if your doctor is telling that this is not curable, this message of hope, I call it the unconditional love, a message of unconditional love from Sayyid Makhdoom Safdar Ali Bukhari, Babaji, my Babaji, I would call him Babaji, a great human being, full of love, unconditionally, for all the mankind. This message, his message says, he says that it is not the kids below 12 years, they are not sick. Usually it's the parents who are sick. It's a result of our own wrongdoings, our eating habits, environmental factors, our relation with our closed loved ones with same blood relation. So it is not the kids who are sick, it's the parents who are sick, or the ancestors are sick, like in case of genetic diseases. So you have to listen this therapy, particularly for the kids of autism and ADHD or spectrum or any other congenital diseases where you have no hope, or mitochondrial diseases or metabolic diseases. Apart from your medical treatment, allopathic or homeopathic, whatever the treatment you are following, you can do it easily, free of cost, at your home, at your place, anywhere in the world, whichever ethnicity, religion, sect, caste, creed, color or gender you are belonging. You just do it for the sake of your kid. There's no harm. But all you have to do it, you have to listen it with your heart, by the ears of your heart. Even animals are listening from this. They are hearing, but you have to listen it by your heart with extreme passion of love. The key is love. There should be no hatred. There should be no revenge, lust, envy in your hearts, particularly your near and dear ones, your spouse, your parents, your in-laws or outlaws, or your brothers and sisters, or your children, or your closed relatives, or closed colleagues or neighbors or family members. Your heart should be clean. Clean it by forgiving, for the sake of your Creator, who's the master of this kid as well. You are so much worried for your kid, and he is so much worried for the whole creation, like a mom. His love is more than the mother's love. But he had made this universe on certain rules, and somehow we break those rules, and then we are suffering after crossing those red lights. So all we have to do to clean our hearts, number one, by forgiveness, by forgiving others. Whosoever harmed you, hurt you, raped you, or even fleeced you, or overpowered you, or your property, whatever, just forgive them inside your heart by praying for them, for the sake of your Lord, only for the sake of your Lord. Just forgive his sinful creatures, forgive his other sinful creatures. If you are begging for mercy, you should yourself be merciful. So just pray for them. I am not saying to go and hug them suddenly, no. You just forgive them from your heart, from your thoughts. So say to your Lord, okay Lord, I have forgiven all my adversaries or my enemies. You also bless them. Beg for blessings from your Lord, whatever you are calling his name. I call him Allah, you can call him God or Lord or Bhagwan or Ram, whatever you are calling him. But call him with love and tell him with honesty and passion that I have forgiven all my enemies from the core of my heart, because you are worried for your kid and he is worried for whole creation, like a mother, and you are also parents. So just forgive his creation, just for the sake of the Creator. So inside your heart with extreme love say, "Oh Lord, I forgive them." You also bless them with extreme mercy and bounty. Then at the same time with full repentance, compensate for your own wrongdoing to others. Tell the same Lord, "Oh Lord, out of all my good deeds, if any I have in my life, you can give it to the others whom I have ever hurt or my elders have ever hurt. Give in compensation to those people, those my good deeds." So their hearts get softened for me and I leave a legacy of love on this planet Earth. So just clean your heart, and now with full repentance of all your own wrongdoings or sinful acts or whatever you did in the past, or at least with humbleness and repentance, just look at him with the eyes of your heart. Look at him with the eyes of your heart. He is well inside you. He is well connected with us, always listening and always looking to us. He is aware of our thinking even. So with extreme passion and love, just 3 times call him, Allah, 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 in your heart, not with tongue, in your thought, or God, 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 whatever you want to say. I say Allah, and 3 times say the half cup of water is inside in your hand. Keep your eyes closed and drink that water in 3 sips and then open your eyes. This is a small meditation or dua or prayer or message of extreme unconditional love for all of you, for your kids especially. But you have to listen this remedy which will follow after this me. It is a recitation of one great verses from Quran, Ar-Rahman, the most beneficent and merciful Lord. So just listen it with closed eyes inside your heart, maybe for 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes listen another a musical recitation, or I would say praising poem, or I call it qasida, and just listen it also, and then open your eyes. Both the parents, you can listen it together, you can listen it at different places, at your workplace, if you have 5 minutes, free 5 or 10 minutes, whenever you can listen. Even if you can't listen sometime, you can take half glass of water, close your eyes, and with extreme passion 3 times call his name inside your heart, by cleaning your heart first, by forgiving all of them, with repentance, submission, and total surrender in front of him. You should surrender in front of him, be zero in front of him for the sake of your kid, and let him work. Like we surrender our cell phone or mobile to the parent company in case it has some flaw or some software or hardware damage is there. They can repair it while sitting in the other country through the internet. They can repair this malware or whatever the fault is inside in the software. So at the same time, this greatest Lord, he can repair it anytime while sitting above in the heavens, or maybe right inside your heart. But he is just waiting for your surrender or submission, because he don't want to intrude now at this time in your personal data, which is already evident in front of him. So with repentance, call him with extreme passion of love 3 times, and listen this therapy 3 times a day for 7 days, and keep drinking this water. Even after 7 days, you take half glass of water, close your eyes 3 times, say his name, and take that water and open your eyes. That you continue, and the next step is, once you start feeling changes in your kid, you will see it. Try it. There's no harm in it. There is no money involved. There is no hidden cost involved. I am offering, as a physician with 28 years experience of my medical knowledge, this therapy as to other mankind, just as a compensation for my own benefit, which I got 18 years back. Already you people must have known it, the stories on the internet in various languages. But do it yourself if you are already in the problem, and get your own results. I think I am very much clear in it. And some details are already there in alrehman.com. The app is there. You can also download it for full version. Otherwise, only 5 minute version will follow after this video, and you can listen that one also. And the method I already explained to you. But you don't have to give this bottle to the kid, or no need for the kid to listen it. It is the parents who has to listen to it. And if you did not get the results, just re-evaluate your own self and think what went wrong where. You did not forgive. In most of the cases I found it, we did not forgive. Or at least we are not feeling repentance on what we have already done to others. So forgiveness, repentance, submission, total surrender, that's the key. And just go in front of your Lord, the Creator, and He is the ultimate healer. He is the cure giver. And I am 110 times sure you will get cured. You will see the results in your kid. Because if you keep, particularly the autoimmune diseases patients and these kids cases, if you keep on hating the close blood relatives, the kid is having the same blood, and the same bombardment of our negative thoughts or our anger is also affecting the same kid as well. So just think on these lines and do it. You will get the results, inshallah. And then the cost, the payment of this remedy after getting the results is no need to come to say thank you to me in this part of the world, in Pakistan, or you don't have to go to Babaji's shrine or say something. No. All you people have to do, if you can, even this is not a binding, but you can tell the same remedy to others. You can help others, or at least start helping others, at least start loving others. Let's make this planet a home of love, passion, care, forgiveness. And unconditional love is the ultimate force, the ultimate remedy.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ar-Rahman allama al-Qur'an khalaqa al-insan allamahu al-bayan. الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجن من مارج من نار فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان رب المشرقين ورب المغربين فبأي